So currently there is a minor problem that I want to talk about. Right now, if you go to my profile and then switch fast to sign up, sometimes an error appears here. This error does not always appear, but sometimes it appears, and I will discuss why does it appear. Okay, so here it appears. It says that we can't call setState on an unmounted component. So why does this happen? So this happened because of one reason. Right here we are fetching profile when the component mount, but sometimes we leave the component before this API request is resolved. So what happens is that this setState function is called in another component while another component is mounted and this component is not mounted. Okay, so we couldn't set state when the component is not mounted. What we need to do is use a function used by React or called by React, which is called componentWillUnmount. And right here we want to cancel the API call. So fortunately Axios has something called cancel token, and we could identify here the source of this cancel token by having a property called source, which equals to Axios dot cancel token dot source. We should pass the token of this source to the API right here, this dot source dot token, and use it right here, cancel token. Here we go. So in the options config here, in the place where we set the headers, there is something that's called cancel token, in which we could attach our token. So when the component unmount, we need to cancel this token. So we would say this dot source dot cancel. Canceling an API request emits an error, and we should catch this error. So we could catch it right here, and we'll check if the error is empty. We could console log request cancelled. So let us try to test our work. As you see, we go to my profile and back to sign up. There is no longer an error, and this console log now appears. So we know we did things correctly. We do not need to show this console logs, so we could easily delete it.